The key fob for 2011 to 2015 Ford Edge and Explorer models typically uses a CR2032 battery. To begin, locate the seam on the fob's back, usually near the key blade. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool into this seam. Gently twist the tool to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic casing. Once open, you'll see the circuit board and the battery compartment. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery using a non-conductive tool if available. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side must face up when installing the new battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring correct orientation. After replacing the battery, snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they are firmly closed. Test the key fob's functions immediately to ensure the new battery is working correctly. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. No programming is typically required for these models.